Hey there, Josh Vector here, co-founder of Product Manager HQ and head of product and founder of software company Squibbler. And today I'm going to break down who are Agile product owners, what exactly they do before, during, and after the product development process. And for some time now, many of you have come to us here at Product Manager HQ with a lot of doubts and questions about the role and responsibilities of an Agile product owner. Asking questions like, what is an Agile product owner? How is an Agile product owner different from a Scrum product owner? What type of skills do Agile product owners need to master in order to succeed? And even questions on where can people get training to become an Agile product owner. An Agile product owner is one of the key players in the Agile development process. After all, stats have shown that Agile products have a 28% higher success rate than other project frameworks. This is because scaled Agile frameworks take a unique approach to people management, product prototyping, and customer collaboration, as well as change response. Therefore, it's only natural for you to have questions on such an important figure in the Agile process. But before we dive more into the world of an Agile product owner, make sure to hit that subscribe button to get direct notifications whenever we post new and insightful videos just like this one. That way, you'll always be guaranteed to get your fair share of high quality instructional content from product management experts. In order to discuss the role and responsibilities of an Agile product owner, we first need to contextualize the environment in which these types of product professionals work by diving into the world of Agile product development. Granted, it is true that the fundamentals of product management ought not to change regardless of the type of environment in which the product owner operates, be it Agile, waterfall, or otherwise. However, there are slight differences. Like in the more traditional waterfall planning framework, Agile product development starts off with the creation of a product strategy that is done jointly between product owners and stakeholders. Usually after the product owner has aligned stakeholders on the product division and convinced them that the project is worthwhile. Once the strategy is drawn up and both frameworks, goals, and objectives are prioritized and presented in the form of a product roadmap. It is at this point that the Agile product development approach starts to diverge from other frameworks. Once a product roadmap is developed in the waterfall planning approach, the product owner alone is responsible for drafting up detailed product requirement documents, breaking down all parameters of the project, and creating visuals of the product with wireframes and mock-ups. The UX and product development teams then build up the product exactly as the product owner requested, which is then passed on to quality assurance. Once quality assurance approves, then the launching and release phase kicks in. Agile product development adopts a different approach. Instead of the Agile product owner determining the entire product concept and visual, both the UX and product development team play a much more active role in deciding how the product is created. In doing so, Agile product development advocates for iterative changes to product design called sprints, where incremental progress is valued over creating the perfect product in one go. The Agile framework is guided by 12 overarching principles that describe both the process of Agile product development and also condition the role and responsibilities assumed by the Agile product owner. The first principle is called satisfy the customer. Product teams do so by ensuring that the product provides value to them in the shortest possible time. The second principle entails accepting change dynamics within a business as a natural process of product development and adjusting to them as they come. The third principle describes the need for product teams to produce tangible, testable software as frequently as possible. The fourth, fifth, and sixth principles speak to the need to be intrinsically motivated to perform well individually while still being a great team player by practicing proper face-to-face communication to facilitate the process of innovation. Principles 7, 8, 9, and 10 call for the product team to measure progress, develop the product in a sustainable fashion, and maintain a high standard of technical excellence without overcomplicating development, neither for the team nor for the customer. Principles 11 and 12 speak to the importance of independence in team management, where individuals participate in the planning phase development and practice honest reflection on their efforts throughout the development cycle. That said, the collaborative nature of Agile product development begs the question: if everyone's participating actively across product development, what does the Agile product owner do? Because of the collaborative and iterative nature of Agile product development, the role of an Agile product owner transgresses the conventions of typical roles in business management. Essentially, they wear several hats at different stages of the product development process. At times, they may be a market analyst, business analyst, product designer, project manager, and more, sometimes all at once. That said, generally speaking, the Agile product owner acts as a coordinator who interacts with multiple departments and teams in order to adequately relay product details to the development team. As mentioned before, the Agile product owner has a unique position within the Agile framework in the sense that their responsibilities shift in accordance with the hat that they're wearing at a given point in time. However, generally speaking, there are 5 responsibilities an Agile product owner has to take ownership of at all times during the product development process. For starters, an Agile product owner has to understand the product vision in its entirety, its purpose, its proposed design, the problem it solves, and product usage estimates, among other things. Then an Agile product owner is accountable for drafting up the product strategy in the form of a plan that they then translate into a product roadmap. It is at this point that the Agile product owner defines product stories. Following this, whereas traditional product owners are solely responsible for drafting up the product backlog and delegating tasks to the various departments or teams, the Agile product owner invites the entire product team to participate in the creation of the backlog, coordinating their efforts and using their insight to create a tentative schedule that they manage throughout the progress of the product development lifecycle. In doing so, the Agile product owner is expected to maintain fluid communication with both product team members as well as senior management. As we examine their responsibilities, it's important that we explore the differences that exist between Agile product owners and one of the main roles that product owners can take up, that of the technical product owner. A technical product owner is someone who has an intimate knowledge of both product management practices as well as the technology used to build them. Usually, product owners have a solid foundation in product management, but lack the expertise in technology that'll help them to make more accurate decisions during the backlog management phase. By and large, technical product owners are non-existent in most small to medium-sized businesses simply because these types of companies lack the capital to hire more than one product owner. Instead, companies assume that the product owner will cover both product and technical responsibilities. In cases where a product owner's technical understanding is limited, then the expectation is that the product owner will do their best to get up to speed as soon as possible. However, in larger enterprises that have the financial capital to do so, it is common to find technical product owners working alongside Agile product owners. In such cases, the technical product owner provides support to the Agile product owner by giving them key insight into the product's technology that will help the product owner to better manage product backlogs. Technical product owners can also provide consultancy on technical product development in their capacity as an advisor. As mentioned previously, the product manager has to wear several hats or responsibilities. Each responsibility they take on requires a particular skill set. For that reason, it can be said that an Agile product owner's skill set is constantly evolving. Generally speaking here, these skills can be categorized into 3 different areas. You have hard skills, soft skills, and technical skills. These will encompass several sub-skills such as leadership and management skills, as well as development skills, business-specific skills, and more. It's important to note that having a balance of just soft and hard skills isn't enough because of the ever-changing nature of Agile product owner role. These professionals need to have all 3 skills, technical included. Otherwise, the product owner may encounter difficulty at one or more stages of the product development process. Now that we've explained the roles and responsibilities of an Agile product owner, I'd like to talk about the training options and resources that you can access to help shape your career as an Agile product owner. There are lots of options out there for Agile product management training, each one with its own unique approach to the Agile framework, the topics they cover, and the perks they come with. The best way to determine the right course in Agile product management for your needs is to examine everything that's included in the course package, from its modules all the way to the job opportunities it may come with, and weigh them against the price it's going for. Universities like Stanford and Berkeley offer product management training, but those courses can cost as much as $5,000 and sometimes a lot more than that. Fortunately, you don't have to spend a fortune on high quality courses in product management. At Product Manager, HQ, we offer just as comprehensive certification programs in product ownership. And if you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below this video where you can go ahead and do so. Before you go, I'd like to test how well you've been paying attention to the information in this video. So I have a quick question for you. True or false? Agile product owners rely heavily on the sprint process in order to achieve their goals. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I wish you the best of luck in your career journey, and I'll see you on some of our future videos. Cheers.